Welcome! Hi, I'm Fen, designer here at the Bead Flora Studio. In the last two videos, I posted two prerequisites for making these holly leaf earrings. Today, I'll share with you the pattern. It is a quick and easy holiday project and perfect for gift giving. I'll also put a link in the description for the PDF and kit that's available for purchase at my website at beadflora.com. If you enjoyed this free project tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Happy beading! Make a basic frame with 5 beads in the basic wire and 8 beads in the basic loop. For the next 2 rows, make a pointed top and pointed bottom. Count 5 beads for the 4th row, then take a length of wire and form a 1/2-inch loop. Twist to form a twisted wire. Feed 4 beads on the wire and then make another 1/2-inch spoke. Finish the 4th row as usual. For the 5th row, feed 6 beads on the wire and then make another 1/2-inch spoke. Feed 4 beads and then make another 1/2-inch spoke. Finish the 5th row. Make your rows while wrapping around the spokes as you would normally on the basic twisted wires. Undo any twists in the twisted wire and move the beads to one side of the loop. Cut at the base of the loop and make a knot at the end of the wire. Twist the 2 wires together up to 1/2 inch to form a new twisted wire. Make the next 2 rows as usual. Feed 5 beads and then make a spoke. Feed 5 more beads and make another spoke. Finish the row as usual. Feed 6 beads and make a spoke. Feed 5 beads and make another spoke. Finish the row. Make the next 2 rows as usual while wrapping around the spokes. Cut 2 inches of bare wire off the spool. Cut all of the wires, leaving a small nub. Bend the twisted wires back with pliers. Shape the petals by pushing in the beads in between the spokes. Position the smaller leaf on the left. String a red bead on the tail wire. Place chain nose pliers over the red bead and bend the tail wire at a 90-degree angle. Place the wire in between the barrels of your round nose pliers. Bring the wire over the top of the barrel. Remove the pliers and place the bottom barrel in the loop. Push the wires around so that it sits horizontally, forming a loop. Now grasp the loop with your chain nose pliers and wrap the wire around the base 2 to 3 times, forming a coil. Cut the excess wire and tuck in the wire with pliers. Leave 2 inches of bare wire and make a 20 bead loop. Pinch the loop and bend the loop in half. Follow the previous steps and make 2 more loops. Wrap the working wire around the tail wire. Cut the excess wire and tuck in the wire with pliers. String on a green bead on the tail wire. Make a wrap loop. Undo the loop of the air wires and insert leaves and berries onto the loop. Now close the loop with your pliers. When making the second earrings, start with the second leaf first so that the earrings are symmetrical.